Hi everybody, as you can see, I have a package here from Baum Kuchen. I covered up stuff with some choco washi tape, but I'm gonna take this tape off and this sticker off eventually. I might cut those out, the little stamps. But, let's see. I ordered something that is new. It's a company from Japan that I like. Excuse me. I sometimes try to do this to see if I can reuse the pouch, but this is one of those pouches that I don't think I can reuse. I'll have to recycle. Yeah, it has that stuff in it. So we're just gonna pull this out. Yep. Oh, they included some stickers. Yay. And I'm gonna save this so I can use the stickers. But this has something very similarly to do with this pencil pouch I have and this traveler's notebook cover and pouch I have. I've used this pencil pouch a lot, and I might move some little things into it. But first, they included some washi stickers. Those are so pretty. I think it's artwork copying their beautiful packaging, because look. It looks like their beautiful packaging. You can see Baum Kuchen. Very, very, very cool. That way you can mark when you get your little happy in the mail. And again, I'm gonna save these. What does this one say? Ride your wave. Let's see if I can get that. It says ride your wave. And that's basically just the receipt all bundled up. Now, we're gonna try. Hey, I did it. Usually I end up just tying it back into a knot, but this time I was able to, there we go, set that aside. And again, some more lovely stickers. I'm gonna try and save. Actually, while we're here, oh, look at that. They look so pretty together. Keep those together. And then this washi tape and this sticker here. Let's see if I can. There we go. I got it. I think I have some of that washi tape. I think I got it in a sample from a friend. Okay, so you can see it's about this size. And it's in cardboard, so even more suspense. Dun 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 dun. I'll save those cardboard. Look! It's an Ateliers Pénélope Folio for an A5. Ooh, oh, it's just a loose thread. For an A5. And see, it's the same color as the pouch and the other pouch. These I've used a lot. But it fits. Look, A5. But look, this is a Midori MD notebook. And look at that. This is from Red Heart Arts. This was when the Stationery Cafe podcast was on Patreon. This is from Job's Store. This vinyl sticker is from a former student of mine. And this is from Bree. It came with one of the notebooks I think I bought, one of her hand-bound notebooks. And I started this in June of 2021. And it's just kind of where I place things that don't really have a home. I do some journaling in it. Like when I got that from Kate, Red Harper Hearts, and this was when we played concerts with Wynton Marsalis and his Lincoln Center Jazz Orchestra. All Rise. We did it for Juneteenth concert in 2021. Yeah, June 6th of 2021. On my birthday, we played an amazing concert. Amazing. Yeah, and then just happy mail and some journaling, and I had discovered some old photos of Lila when she was just itty bitty, and that was from Symphony by the Sea in 2021. That was some of the last concerts we did before COVID. In 2020 were Symphony by the Sea. And then in 2021 and 2022, we actually recorded them. But while we're here in this lovely A5, I got something the other day from Odd Girl Journals that I posted on Instagram. Here. I'll put that there. We're gonna put this here. Now, let's see. These are the ones that are sometimes challenging to get. Because of the type of paper. Yeah. But we have a solution for that. And this washi tape here is really pretty. It's got spring flowers. Hoping it will be spring soon. There we go. Let's see if we can get this off. These I usually don't keep because they sometimes tend to pick up the, yeah. We'll see. See how they kind of pick up the paper from the packaging. Oh well, that's cute. But this one, since all of this sticky is pretty much gone, let me get something. Here we go. Get some dot liner and just, ooh. It doesn't like it either. Did I use it all? Well, we won't use that. We'll go to the glue stick by Kokio. That I definitely know will work. Okay. And we'll just kind of glue that down there. I've never had that happen before. I wonder. Let's try something. since I did get this nice note from a band director, I'll cut just the bottom off. To make sure that it fits. Maybe just a smidge more. And I'll do a little from the top too. We, the university, one of the universities that I teach at, we have a faculty wind quintet, and we've been going around to a lot of the different local schools. Yeah, that'll work. And we've been playing for the kids. There we go. We've been playing for the kids, and I actually got a couple of students out of it, private students, that might end up going to the university, might not. If, you know, those things you never really know. There we go. I had really nice penmanship. Let's see if I can save the stamp. Because, you know, sometimes you can peel these off. Maybe not. I liked the artwork on it. Well, I got it off with a little extra. So you're getting a little journaling session. We'll use the glue stick because we don't want the same. Well, let's see if the same thing will happen. No, I think it's because of the type of paper that is on the package. And then we'll put the little stamp right there because that's what it came with. There. And that way I don't need these. Oh, and that's from my new lunchbox. I don't think I showed you guys my new lunchbox. It's Scooby-Doo. Yeah. We'll glue this in. Why not? We'll just glue in all the things. There we go. And then you can, boop. So this is an A5 cover by, I think it's in the back, Ateliers Pénélope, and in conjunction with Baum Kuchen. Ateliers Pénélope is a Japanese company. They, their shop is actually, if you're going to the Traveler's Factory in Nakamegura, if I'm saying that correctly, sorry. If I'm not, Japan, it's around the corner from there, not too far. And they made a cover out of the beautiful canvas that they have. And I wonder, will this writing board fit in? This is just a Taroko design writing board. Yes, and it does. So very, very cool. These are my previous items that I had, and this is my new item, and I'm loving it for this. I only have one other A5 cover, and it's this beautiful cork one from Brie, which I want to put a sketchbook in. So that way this can have this journal in it, and I can have my sketchbook in this A5 cover. And I did get something new. I didn't open it on TV, on the interwebs. I got this. It's by Brie. This is one of her newer prints. I forget what it's called, but I got the green cork, and you can see it's quite huge. It fits a composition notebook. Here, I'll show you. There we go. It fits a composition notebook, and I got the green on the inside. So this is for my Artist Way daily writing. This is for my soon-to-be new art journal. And then this is my kind of catch-all journal. So there we are, a little unboxing with some other stuff in it. I will link this in Baum Kuchen below. It's not sponsored. I love their store. I love the products that they have. You do not need to buy because I do. I just thought I would share because this is something new that I had never seen before. And I'm loving it. It's such a pretty cool design. Okay, that's all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.